When people hear of the word Dubai, the first thing that comes into their mind, aside from its immense modernity, is gold. I'm here right now at the center of it all. This is the world's highest concentration of gold retailers in the world. Join me as I hop to Gold Souk, Dubai. Let's go! Yalla! Situated in the Deira district of Dubai, the Dubai Gold Souk is the Emirates' most famous souk or market in Arabic. Using the metro, it can be reached via the Green Line, which stops at Al Ras or Gold Souk station. Accompanied by my friend Alan and Rachel, we started our trip by taking the bus and visiting the old Dubai village called Al Souk. The place resonates an old world charm, giving you a feel of old Dubai, with its heritage structures, artisan stores, and traditional items found only in UAE. From there, we crossed the Dubai Creek using the local ferry and stepped out of Abra Dock. And a few steps later, we made it to the Dubai Gold Souk. The Gold Souk is known to contain about 380 retailers divided in 3 different alleys, offering huge selections of jewelries made from silver, platinum, precious stones, and you guessed it, gold. Now walking along the alleys, you will be overwhelmed with the immense collection of items made from gold that are on display on the storefront. Gold face masks, no problem. Everything is seen to be made of gold in this area. If you're not into jewelries, you can also buy gold bars. And they come in all sizes that fit any budget of yours, from 1 gram to 1 kg. So here at the Gold Souk, you really should know what you're looking for, because there's a lot of stores, and it is very overwhelming, especially for us. Even for them, they're actually living over here in Dubai, and yet we really don't know where to look for that. But then the key is, according from what I heard, you really have to enter each and every store and then show them the different things that you're actually looking for, and then they would actually find it for you. And typically, the same rule when it comes to haggling applies. So try to bet for the lowest price. If they don't want to give it to you, walk away. We put these theories to the test, and these are what we found. Prices of gold are based on the current market value and cannot be brought down through haggling. What you're haggling for is to bring down the price of making them, or craftsmanship for each and every product. All gold items inside the stores are authentic and verified by Dubai municipality that carry out inspections regularly. Lastly, significant reductions are possible, and similar items can also be found in different stores. So if you're not satisfied, move on to the next store and ask for the similar item. Also, as an important tip, a lot of stores are willing to give you better discounts if you are willing to pay them in cash.
There is one more thing that the Gold Souk is known for.
It is world famous for housing the world's largest gold ring in the world, as certified by the Guinness World Record. Let's check it out. Come on. Alright, so finally, at the very end of the street of the Gold Souk, you will see the world's largest gold ring. Let's check it out. Okay, so this is the gold ring. It has been certified by the Guinness World Record as the heaviest gold ring in the world, and it is made by Star of Taiba.
This 11-karat gold ring weighs almost 141 pounds and is studded with 11 pounds of precious stone, costing a whopping $3 million. It is currently found on display inside Cannes Jewelry.
So this is the actual certification.
Are you gonna buy it? This for sale?
I'll take a picture,
Is it real gold?
It is, yeah. It's actually certified by Guinness World Record. It's over here. So yeah, make sure you take a selfie. A visit will not be complete without a selfie over here. And that completes our tour of the Gold Souk. When you are in Dubai, make sure to stop by at this landmark, otherwise your visit will never be complete. Again, my name is Julius. Join me again next episode as I show you more about this beautiful world. Again, this is iHAP Alan Open Adventure, Philippines and beyond. Goodbye!